Today on the Fishing Doctor's Adventures, we're out here on Seibert Lake, trying out a brand new lake. Never been here before. Started out a little slow, but then we found the fish and started to catch a few on cicadas. So stick around, see how to use some blade baits for summertime walleye on lakes that have bait bans. It works great, and we'll show you how it works. Yeah, we're got another one here. Look at this beautiful day. Oh, he's wrapped up. He's actually a keeper size, maybe. Let's net this guy. Oh yeah, another nice one. That's not quite a keeper. Let's get him back in the water. I'm telling you, this blade bait action here, it's amazing. Let's chuck this one back. Nice fish. Let me show you what we're using here. Dyson will get out of my way. We're just using these small cicadas, bouncing them off the bottom. Pull it up, you feel the little vibration, let it drift down to the bottom. Once you feel it hit, you pull it up again, let it drop again. What you'll see is, as the blade bait drops down, you'll feel a little tap. That's when you gotta set the hook, because they usually bite it as it falls down. So let's keep fishing and see how much more we catch. Yeah, he's a nice one, Tyson. Tyson!
You said scoop him. You said scoop him.
Yeah, because scoop him, not miss him.
What?
Okay, scoop him, scoop him.
No, he's way too low.
Just wait. Yeah, he's a keeper. That's a big one. Oh, guys, that's what I'm talking about. Fish in Canada! Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice walleye caught on the bait, nice walleye caught on the blade bait, cicada, just bouncing off the bottom, no bait here. We're out at Seibert Lake, yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Woo! Nice walleye, Seibert Lake. Tyson, get ready. Get ready. I'm ready. Get ready. This is a keeper, man. Okay, Tyson, ready? Yeah. Keep keeping now. Good. Oh yeah. Our first keeper walleye. Yeah, we got one for the pan. Caught on a cicada.
I got a small fish here. You have to point the camera more to me. Yeah, there we go.
Seibert Lake fishing. We got.
Where's the next one?
That's the big one. That's the big one, Tyson. It's a big one. Don't lose him. That's another keeper right there.
Yeah.
That's another keeper, man. Oh yeah.
Dad!
I didn't hit him.
Dad!
Tyson!
Got him!
Dad! Woo! He's so stupid! Oh, man. He's so stupid. I got one.
Yeah, right at the boat. I have no idea. Oh, it's small.
It's a small one.
Okay, small bass. Yep.
Oh yeah, I got him. I got him. Got a walleye here on the cicada. It's a beautiful day. I don't think it's that big, but it's on there. When you're out there fishing, you're on a lake that you can't use bait, don't worry, try a blade bait like a cicada. They also make them heading, and they do a lot. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. It's a big one. It's a nice one, Tyson.
They're on that.
There we go, nice walleye. My dad's onto a fish. He didn't even know it. It's a walleye. Nice one. See you guys how you net fish? Right. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one, Brian. I saw that hook up.
Oh yeah, that's a bigger one. Oh, he came off.
Oh, no. Bad.
Yeah, that's a bigger one.
I saw that hit. It was big.
I got one.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, put on reef runners.
Got one!
Got one on the reef runner. Let's try to get him in. I don't know if he's still there. Yeah, he's still there. So. Here's a walleye.
He must be. Why is he up front?
He's very cute.
That's how you
Woo!
net.
Oh,
I got one!
Jason's dad's got one.
Oh, I got a nice one.
Good one.
make sure you get him. Keep
Keeper.
attention on.
You want me to-
That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yeah,
That's a keeper. That is
Alright.
a keeper. I got one.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, a keeper.
Another one. Got another one.
This is a keeper. This will be number 5.
This is not a
Guys,
good
staying down
small. I can tell. Small, this big fish.
Stay down. Keeper. Keeper.
I got him. I got that one right under the boat. Like I said, you got one right under the boat.
Watch out, because it can swim over.
Look at that little one. We don't even know that. A little baby walleye. Look at the baby walleye. Baby walleye.
Woo! Alberta fishing!